The following question asks us, which of the following elements would you expect to have chemical properties most similar to those of sulfur? So when we answer this type of question, we want to make sure that we're understanding what it's asking us. We're looking at the following elements that they provide us, so the following 5, and we're going to determine which one's most similar with chemical reactivity to those of sulfur. So when we answer this question, we first want to identify where sulfur is on the periodic table. The next thing that we kind of want to identify is what are the valence electrons associated to that of sulfur. So sulfur has Ns2, or this is the valence electrons that corresponds to that group that sulfur is located in, and Np4. So sulfur has a total of 6 valence electrons. Remember, these are my Ns orbitals. These are my Nd orbital, where N just refers to the level at which you're at. And then these are my Np, my p orbitals that corresponds to it. So once we identify where sulfur is, then we can look at the remaining options that they give us to determine if any of these have the same valence electrons as that of sulfur. Well, phosphorus has valence electrons that are associated to Ns2, Np3, which is not the same as the valence electrons for that of sulfur. Chlorine is Ns2, Np5, so not the same valence electrons. Selenium is located right under sulfur. It's located in the same group, so it will have the same valence electrons to that of selenium. Sodium is located in the very first group, which will be just an Ns1 valence electrons, and strontium is located in the second group, which will have a valence electrons of Ns2. So selenium will have a similar reactivity to that of sulfur, because the valence electrons is where all of our chemistries are going to be occurring at. And we will start to learn more about why this is the case in later chapters.